Hello, Scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with a new reset and clean up / organize my small scrapbooking space. So this is a picture of what it looked like before, and I started to have a problem with the dogs knocking things off of my desk because the couch was really close to the desk. So what I decided to do at the beginning of this video was clean it all off and move it. I think that's 90 degrees. Maybe it's 45. I don't know. I'm horrible at math and geometry and whatever else that is. So here you can see Ashley and I are kind of cleaning up. Ashley was kind enough to vacuum the floor so that hair didn't just get pushed all around. And then I started pulling everything off of my desk, pushing it out of the way, and then we just turned it, basically. I vacuumed behind there and all around it just to get all the dog hair and dust and dirt and everything out. Then now I am going to start wiping everything down. We moved it into the corner. At first, I was thinking maybe I would put some of the shelves in the corner, but because I already had my, what is it called? My webcam set up to film in the corner, I just decided to push the desk all the way to the corner and not have to worry about moving my camera. I just had to flip it sideways, just like the desk. So here you can see I am starting to put everything back on my desk and get it all set up and going and working for me. So I'm going to play around with the placement of a few of these shelves. So I have two of my 13 by 13 shelves out here that have, I believe the bottom one has page protectors in it, and then the one above that one has just odds and ends. I think there's markers in there and other odds and ends. So this is where I'm going to end for this night. And then the next video is going to be the next day. I want to say that all of these videos were filmed the last week of January and probably into February. So here is where I am going to start going through a lot of things on my desk, in boxes, and I'm going to be deciding where to put everything. So I think most of you know, if you're new around here, I did live in an apartment the year of 2024, and so I moved back home at the end of 2024, and I've been living here at home with my wife and her 5 kids since October of 2024, I believe. And so it's been over a year, and I still haven't unpacked all of the boxes as of this video. So that's kind of what I'm going through, is boxes that have just been kind of set aside and waiting for me to go through them since I moved home in 2024, which is kind of ridiculous, but life is what it is. You kind of just make do with what you can deal with, right? So I finally got the cleaning and organizing bug this year, and I'm super excited, and I'm really happy with how it all turns out. So the way that you see it being set up now is not even how it is now in the current future. So this is now as of February of 2026 in the video. So now will be April of 2026 by the time I get this posted, and it looks totally different. So I'm really excited to keep posting these videos on Sundays so that you can kind of see the process. This all started the day after Christmas, and it continued for about 3 months. I'm still not even done with going through everything. I still have quite a bit of, I think it's iris containers really is the only thing that I have left to like go through products and decide if I want to keep it all or sell it off or whatever. But for now, I think everything is put away in places. Everything has a space. I might start doing like once a month, going through some things that are a little bit extra. But here you can see I'm still going through things and trying to decide where I'm going to put them in my desk or around my desk, or you see me kind of going off camera every once in a while. And this was a whole process. I want to say this was like 3 separate days. It could have been 4 separate days. But it's still quite a bit messy at the end of this video. I do have a photo of the before picture here before I moved my desk, and then I'm going to show you the after picture, and I am really happy with it more this way. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you are having a great scrappy day. Bye.